There's a new report out tonight on the farmed Atlantic salmon that escaped a net pen in the San Juans last August. The Wild Fish Conservancy says all the fish it tested were infected with a highly contagious virus called PRV.
But what is that and how might it affect our native fish? Our Greg Copeland is here with some answers tonight. Hi, Greg.
Hi, Mark. We've heard a lot about these fish, and we're probably going to be hearing a lot more. The report sounds pretty alarming. The presence of PRV certainly is not a good thing, but it might not be as bad as it sounds.
There has been a lot of concern since last summer's net pen breach off Cypress Island that allowed most of the 305,000 Atlantic salmon to escape their pens. Tens of thousands were caught, tens of thousands are still unaccounted for. That has sparked concern about the impact to native salmon, namely Chinook and coho. Now, tonight's press release by Wild Fish Conservancy appears to sound the alarm that some of the worst fears could be true. An independent lab showed all 19 salmon donated from different sources were infected with PRV, a virus it says affects a salmon's ability to compete and survive in the wild. WFC also speculates that its sampling of 19 fish is cause to believe that all the escaped fish are most likely infected with PRV. But where did the Atlantic salmon contract the virus? The net pens? Not according to the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. On page 98 of a 120-page report released 2 weeks ago, DFW said when it examined more than 15 Atlantic salmon shortly after their escape, biologists concluded the escaped population was healthy at the time of the release. No endemic, bacterial, viral, or parasitic pathogens were detected in the group of fish. Furthermore, it concluded the fish became susceptible to bacterial infection following anorexia and stress. In other words, after escaping, they didn't eat, they got weak, and then contracted the virus in the wild.
So there you have it. No doubt that these salmon had the virus, but Fish and Wildlife's report seems to temper the Wild Fish Conservancy's claim about the danger that these pose to our native species. Mark, Lori?